Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad exponential equation problem. So here we have 49 to the power of n plus 119 to the power of n equals to 289 and its whole power n. So in this question, we find the value of this n. So in order to find the value of n, the very first step we are going to do is here first we divide both of the sides by 49 and it will be written as 49 to the power of n divided by 49 to the power of n plus 119 to the power of n divided by 49 to the power of n, and this whole equals to 289 to the power of n divided by 49 to the power of n. So here we divide both of the sides by 49 to the power of n. So this will be cancelled by each other and we will obtain here a 1 plus, here we have 119. So we write this 119 as 7 multiplied by 17. So we know that 17 times of 7 will becomes 119 and this whole divided by 49. So we write this 49 as 7 multiplied by 7 and its whole power n, and this whole equals to, we have 289 and we write it as 17 square and its whole power n divided by, we have 49 and we write it as 7 square and its whole power n. So in the next step here we need little bit simplification. So we see that this so first we combine the exponent of these terms and these terms as well. So we write it as 1 plus 7 multiplied by 17 over 7 multiplied by 7 and its whole power n equals to, here we again combine the exponents of these terms and we write it as 17 over 7 and its whole square and its whole power n. So in the next step you focus here in the left hand side and you see that the 7 and 7 are cancelled by each other and we obtain here 1 plus 17 over 7 and its whole power n equals to, in the right hand side here we need to interchange these two exponents. So we move this 2 and n upsides and we write it as 17 over 7 and its whole power n and its whole square. So now in the next step you see here this equation will becomes an exponential equation, and now we convert this exponential equation into the quadratic form. So here we will take y equals to 17 over 7 and its whole power n. So when you substitute y equals to 17 over 7 and its whole power n, then the above equation will be written as 1 plus y equals to, here you have 17 over 7 power n its whole square, it will be written as y square. So now we rearrange this equation and we move 1 and 7 to the right hand side and it will be written as y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So now it will becomes a quadratic equation in standard form, so that here we need to use the quadratic formula. So first we write the coefficients of this quadratic equation and we have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 1, and our quadratic formula will be written as y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So now we put the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, and it will be written as minus times of value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b square, and our b is minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 1 and this whole divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. So in the next step here we need simplifications here, and this minus times of minus becomes plus 1, and plus minus minus 1 square is 1, and this minus times of minus is plus 4, and 2 times of 1 will becomes 2. So now in the next step we have y equals to 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 becomes square root of 5 divided by 2. And now in the next step we substitute the value of y, and you see here this is the value of y equals to 17 over 7 and its whole power n. So we back substitute the value of y here. So now first we separate these two equations, and first we write the positive value, which is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and the second case is y equals to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So now we back substitute the value of y, and it will be written as 17 over 7 and its whole power n equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And in this case we have 17 over 7 and its whole power n equals to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So now first you focus on second case, and in the second case uh, you see here we have, this is the exponential function, and we know that exponential function always gives us the positive value, but this expression gives us the negative value. So it cannot be possible an exponential function equals to some negative value, so that we will rejected this case, and we can just proceed here the first case only. So in the first case, in order to find the value of n, we need to take log on both of the sides, so that here we take log on both of the sides, and it will be written as log of 17 over 7 and its whole power n equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So we use the property of log, and we move this exponent n in the front of this log, and it will be written as n times of log 17 over 7 equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And now we move this log and this log, we use a property, division property on both of these logs, and this will be written as log of 1 log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2 divided by log of 17 minus log of 7. So here you use the calculator, and you can easily find the value of all these logs, and we approximately get the value of n equals to 0.5423. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.